Hi there, Nathan Ford from Fein Industrial Power Tools, and I'm here today at ITS just to give you a quick run through and introduction to the new Multi-Master available from Fein. Start with the Quick Start kit. Comes with the new FMM350Q, so 350 watt motor, and the Q stands for Quick In. So you have the Fein Quick In system on the front end of the machine for changing over your accessories. The old machine was the FMM350Q, this is now the 350, so it has a 350 watt motor as opposed to the 250 watt motor. You're getting a 35% increase in power with regards to this machine over the previous model. The other big improvement from Fein with the new machine is that we've managed to reduce the noise emission values by 50% and also reduce the vibration figures by 70%. And the way that they've done this is inside the new machine, in between the gearbox and the motor housing, or the motor, sorry, is a dampening system. And that separates the outer casing from the inner workings of the machine. So this reduces the amount of vibration that's given to the end user, also reduces the amount of noise created by the machine. The 350Q still comes with the Fein Quick In system, so there's been no change to the Quick In system on the front end of the machine, so all of our old accessories, all of our accessories will fit straight onto the latest model. The 350Q, or the Multi-Master, is generally used as a bit of an all-rounder. It's in the name, Multi-Master. Can be used for sawing applications, so if you were laying any sort of flooring, whether it be a wooden floor or a tiled floor, and you wanted to undercut door surrounds, skirting boards, etc., then you can use the E-cut saw blades on there and use them for flush cutting. You can also use the E-cut saw blades for plunge cutting. So if you were a plumber or an electrician and you're trying to gain access into floorboards, then you can just plunge cut with the machine straight into the floorboard and create a minimum amount of damage and cut. The machine can also be used for tiling applications, and depending on the sets that you buy, you will get different tiling accessories with the kit. Tungsten carbide blades, which are designed really for grout removal. So if you have damaged tiles that you want to isolate and remove, then you can cut the grout lines out. Or if you have weathered grout, then again you can use it for cleaning out the grout before you re-grout. Tungsten carbide rasps, which can be used for cement-based adhesive. So once you've removed the tile, if you have an adhesive that's left behind, you can use a rasp to flatten that off. Rigid stopping knives or scraper blades, so the machine can be used as a powered scraper. So if you have anything that's been bonded down, stuck down, and you remove it, leaves an adhesive behind, then it can be used for that application. And again, depending on the accessory that you get with the machine, the HSS blades or the universal blades for metal and wood can also be used for cutting metal. So if you have metal fixing or you have nail embedded timber, copper pipe that you want to cut through, then the machine can be used for this. Inside the set, you'll find the new machine. You've got one of the Fein moulded cases, so you have a compartment for your machine, and then also included in there you have two storage compartments, one there and one there, to hold your accessories. And included in this set, you'll get one accessory card, and on the accessory card you have the rigid stopping knife or scraper blade. You have one of the Delta sanding heads. You have one of the segmented HSS blades, one of the Fein universal blades for metal and wood, and one of the wide version long life wood blades. And then to go with your Delta sanding head, you have the 180 grit abrasive, 120 grit abrasive, an 80 grit abrasive, and a 60 grit abrasive. So this is the new FMM350Q Quick Start set available from ITS.